Hi, thank you for checking out this video. This is an installation that I did on Friday. I had some camera problems. Something's going on with the battery, so it just kept shutting off. But I got a call. This guy that gave me a couple of water heaters a few months ago. That's the new water heater right there that I put in. Gave me a few water heaters, and then he called me up and said, hey, I got another water heater if you're interested. I was looking at the photographs, and it was a 2021, so I told him where I thought it was leaking from, which is the plastic drain valve. And he wasn't interested in fixing that. He wanted to take advantage of the warranty, which I told him about. And so he had returned it to Home Depot and got a replacement water heater, and then paid me to come out and install it. So he had actually removed it when I got there. So I'm just connecting the supply lines here. He actually picked up a few new stainless steel supply lines, which I had recommended because he said one of them was leaking from the nipple. So we got those installed. And that's the water heater on the left-hand side there. It's a brand new 2023 Rheem.
Yeah.
Not sure if you'd want this, but would you want like a nice cool beer?
Well, I'm all right.
You
Yeah.
all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, though. I appreciate it.
Sure.
Okay, so we replaced the drain valve with a metal one. He had one of these plastic ones and it was leaking. He returned the water heater. I told him to get new supply lines and get a new drain valve. So we got a good brass drain valve on there. And we just need the adapter. I think he turned the adapter back in, so I'm gonna dig one of those up. So I had a backup adapter with me in my truck, so I ended up using one of mine. He didn't really know about the warranties at all, so I probably saved him a lot of money. I mean, he was going to give me his 2021 water heater, go out and buy a new one, and probably pay me to install it. But he ended up getting a replacement water heater, and then just paid me to install it. He probably could have done it himself. I think he was just busy packing for a trip or something like that. So happy to get a little bit of work out of it. But putting the adapter in right here. So before I got here, there's so many, he's got rats or mice or something on his property. And there's just rat crap all over the place. And then the water had spilled all over. So when I got there, it just looked like wet soil. But basically, I was just walking in just mounds of rat crap that I really wish he'd have shoveled out of the way or thrown dirt over or something, because that shit ended up in my shoes. I can't set the camera on anything because there's mouse crap all over. See if you'll sit it here. So people can be really cool. They offer me drinks all the time, sodas, water, beer, a lot of beer. Obviously, I don't drink beer when I'm working. I have to drive afterwards, and then it's just too much of a distraction. You know, I don't really associate that with work. So nice of them to offer. So all that's really left to do is strap the water heater and connect the ducting. So I'm just working on the straps right here. I hate those yellow tags, they're always in my way. This guy, whoever installed this thing must have been left-handed because everything was lined up for the left-hand side. So I was adjusting the straps right here because I wanted to get more tension. So I did a quick adjustment on the strap so I could get a little more tension on this earthquake strap. Trying to thread it on from the left-hand side. And just squeeze it tight there so I can get a little slack.
Really?
It's always a pain in the ass when those earthquake straps come loose on you after the water heater's in, because now it's in my way to try and get back in there and reconnect it. I don't know how it pulled loose. Must not have been in there very well. And of course, all the hardware fell down into the rat crap down below. Perfect. We love that. See that shovel right there? That's all the guy needed to do was pick up that shovel and get all that rat crap out of there. I ended up using it later, once I stepped in it, to throw a bunch of dirt on it. It was just a big old mound of it right there. I mean, he basically just swept it all out, wet, and just right in the work area. Okay, thanks a lot, buddy. Let me handle that. It's nice. This project was located only a few blocks away from my house and took about, I don't know, half an hour, 40 minutes to get this thing installed. Get back to my Friday night. sugar pushers are trying to sell some ice cream. They're all over these neighborhoods. I don't understand it. They play the music at like highest volume possible. I get that, but sometimes they play Christmas music. What's that all about? Alright, I just want to make sure that the water heater clears the door here, so we're good there. So no adjustments will be needed. Filling up the water heater right now, and I should be able to start it here once I get the ducting installed. Adjust the straps a little bit more. Alright, so here's what I'm talking about. That stuff's just all over the place. It's just everywhere. I don't know if he tried to hose it down. That's where I ended up stepping in it and had to throw dirt down. It's just nasty. Guy needs to get a cat or something. You can see it all up there. I can only imagine how bad the other one was that he took back to Home Depot. Alright, well that's it. Water heater's installed. In and out of there. Go home, clean my shoes off. Actually, I had to do that before I even got in my truck. I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you made it here to the end. Consider giving it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit 500 subscribers. Took forever, but happy to hit that goal. And you guys have a great day.